Hello everyone, I am going to dictate you steno legal matter. Be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
This a civil revision and has been directed against the order dated 26/9/2000 passed by civil judge Junior Division Kurukshetra, who dismissed the application of the Punjab National Bank, hereinafter called the Bank, under Order 34 Rule 5 CPC, and also did not allow the application of the bank under Section 5 of the Limitation Act. Stop. Some facts of the case can be noticed in the following manner. Stop. Stanza. A preliminary decree was passed in favor of the bank in civil suit number 735 of 1986 on 12/10/1987. Stop. The plaintiff bank did not adopt any remedy for the preparation of final decree. Stop. Rather, it filed the execution petition on 25/4/1988. Stop. This execution application remained pending up to 1/5/1997, when it was realized by the bank that execution application only on the basis of preliminary decree was not legally maintainable. Stop. The bank withdrew that application and filed an application under Order 34 Rule 5 CPC. Stop. On the very same day. Stop. The bank also filed an application under Section 5 of the Limitation Act on 24/9/1997. Stop. The notice of the execution application was given to the judgment debtors, who filed the reply and resisted the execution application on the ground that the application under Order 34 Rule 5 CPC was beyond limitation and was hopelessly barred by time. Stop. It was also objected to by the judgment debtors that even the application under Section 5 of the Limitation Act has been filed on 24/0/1997, and it was not accompanying the main application under Order 34 Rule 5 of CPC. Stop. The learned executing court wide impugned order dated 26/9/1998 dismissed the execution application under Order 34 Rule 5 CPC, as well as the application under Section 5 of the Limitation Act, and the grounds of dismissal are contained in paras number 5 to 9 of the impugned order, which reads as follows. Stop. The decree holder filed the execution petition application on 25/4/1988, and thereafter, at the time of arguments in the said execution petition application, after it was revealed that the decree in question was in fact preliminary decree, learned counsel for decree holder plaintiff applicant on 1/5/1997 gave a statement withdrawing the execution petition with prayer for permission to move an application for passing the final decree and wide order dated 1/5/1997, Learned Counsel for decree holder was allowed to withdraw the execution petition with permission to file an application for passing the final decree. Stop.